Guys, Tad with tips for technicians. Today I'm working on a ducted air handler. This goes to a Samsung mini split, and I've got a problem that I need to show you because it can happen to you. And if it happens, it can cause some pretty substantial damage, especially in a home if you have a water leak and you don't have a pan underneath it. Fortunately, we do have a pan, but this can happen. See this? This is the quick connect hose that comes with this unit. However, it has a hose clamp that you are supposed to use. But what can happen is when you have this hose clamp here and you tighten it down, and then it basically doesn't squeeze against the rubber piece in here, it doesn't really attach. See that? It's not attached. The reason being is because it was tightened down too tight and it wasn't on the rubber hose. See, I'm going to show you the rubber hose. See that down in there? There's a rubber hose. Now look. See that? See, this hose clamp should go right here. See, like it's too small for it now. So I've got to put it back on there. I'm going to show you this when it's put on properly. All right? Hold on just a second. Okay, so I got the fitting on and it's fixed now. Make sure that when you tighten these down that it's connected to this piece of plastic instead of just this piece of insulation, okay? So that's just a future tip for you guys. This ducted air handler actually comes with a pump. This is the connection for the pump. The actual pump is behind here. It's a 12-volt pump with a 29-inch lift. If you do want to write an option code to not use the pump, go into your installation manual or go into your controller. You'll be able to use your controller and set whether you use the pump or not. I can show you that in a video, guys, but I love these ducted air handlers. Super small. In fact, this actual the depth of this, or the depth is around 8 inches. So really, really small.